Welcome back to the channel. This is a really quick update video. So you may or may not have seen that Binance has been banned by the UK Financial Conduct Authority to perform any regulated activity within the UK. So at first this sounds pretty alarming, and anyone with money in there or anyone like myself who uses Stoic, which uses Binance, gets very worried about what's going to happen to their money. However, there seems to be a bit of mixed messaging happening here. Binance and Stoic themselves have actually said this isn't actually going to impact anything within the UK. This is because Binance.com and their group is not actually located within the UK. Their business is actually registered in like the Cayman Islands or somewhere around there. So despite this ban sounding very scary, I messaged Stoic on their Contact Us section, and they were really quick to respond, and I'll put their response on screen here. But the gist of what they were saying was that the messages that have been spread are all about trying to spread fear, uncertainty and doubt, and that Stoic, as far as they are aware, will be able to continue to operate for those people in the UK that use it. Now I just want to make it very clear that I am not a lawyer, financial advisor, anything like that. So I would encourage you to go and have a look yourself and see what sense you make of it. I personally, not that well versed on financial law. So I am just taking my sources from various different places. I've contacted Stoic themselves, and I've seen various news articles that all say that this shouldn't affect anything too much. However, I cannot guarantee this, and Stoic themselves said that they couldn't, but if anything changed, they would update us. There's a fellow YouTuber called Sasha who has made a video kind of showing the flip side of this argument, saying that the banning of Binance could actually impact things. So that goes into quite a lot of detail, so I'll link that if you want to go and have a look at that. To summarize, as far as I'm aware, and regarding what Stoic have said to me when I asked them, everything should stay the same. You don't need to worry. Stoic should continue to operate if you're in the UK, and there should be no issues with that. So this has just been a very quick update video. I just wanted to get it out to make sure that all of you UK folk who are using Stoic don't get too worried, or anyone that's using Binance, don't get too worried. And if anything does change, I will update you, and I'm sure Stoic will as well. So I'll see you in the next video.